Hey everybody, it's Kev from OverlaysLab. I'm going to run you through another walkthrough of the product. This time we're going to export a activity as a alpha transparency to use in your video editor. So let's go. Create a project, browse to a GPX activity file. This one will do just fine. And we're going to go with type of activity being a run walk, and we're going to go for landscape orientation. I'm going to leave all the metrics as default and just go with the default HUD layout. Okay. Couple of small adjustments I might make. We'll go for making the map pre-drawn, and let's have a look. We'll make the lap counter sit in a box, and we will turn the pace into a gauge. And we'll put it down the bottom corner of the screen and make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. So I'm going to trim this to the first sort of, for the sake of this demo, first 3 minutes of the activity, and we will export. It'll be browser-based rendering. Just going to go with 1080p, 30 frames a second, and we're going to go with webm, which allows us to choose transparency, alpha transparency. So we'll go with render, and we'll let that render in the browser. That's complete. Just save the file at the disk. And I'm going to switch to VSDC, which is the editor that I've found seems to work best with alpha transparency from my app at the moment. So let's give it a go. I'm going to start with a blank project. And I'm going to leave the default and press finish. In here, we're going to bring in an activity video. And we're going to bring in the overlay that we just created as a new layer and press OK. And as you can see, the native app for transparency is supported. There's been no green screen chroma key color picking to be had. So I'm going to just trim this down as a clip, just to export. Take it to about here. Trim the end. Trim the end. There you have it. That's the transparency. Thanks for watching.